Okay, everybody, as promised, I spent some money, got my mechanic over here, got the beast running, and it is ready to go. It's looking good, it's sounding good. Anyway, so what do we have here? We have a 1980 International crane. What else? It's a 350 Cummins engine. It's a really good, strong engine. I'm gonna fire it up, you're gonna hear it. And let's see, it's a fifth wheel. As you can see over here, we have covered the fifth wheel up with a big piece of plywood. We moved palm trees around on my nursery this thing. Put the palm trees up here. And, but you can certainly tow a big giant trailer with this if you want to. It's got all the air set up and all that. Now, the truck holds air. It's got maybe a little bit of leakage, but it's got just enough to get down the road and get to where you're going. And I just drove it out on the road. I'll drive it on the road and show you. We have a toolbox here in the middle. We're gonna give you that as part of the deal. The crane is basically like 45 feet long. It's all hydraulic telescopic. So it'll lift about 3,000 pounds all the way out on the end, and it'll lift about 20,000 pounds right next to the truck. It's got 4 outriggers. Got the big one here, one on the other side just like it, one in the back. Tires or whatever, expect what you expect for a truck like this. They'll get you down the road, but I wouldn't drive all the way to Mexico on some of them. But there's a commercial tire store right down the street. As you can see over here, pretty much going to kind of sell this truck as is right now. It's a fully operational crane, and it doesn't leak any fluid. But a couple tail lights missing. This one's cracked. So I'm not sure about if the lights are working in the front or not, but we don't work in the nighttime here anyway. And but anything you want to fix, you could probably get my mechanic to fix it. He can give you a price on any single thing you want. But really, it's just a bunch of knickknacks. The truck's running, crane operates, and I'm going to show you. So here we go. We are going to pick up a big giant concrete planter box over here that we're selling to somebody. This obviously doesn't test the strength of the crane, but I'm going to use the crane right now. I need to use it anyway. Put this box on top of that platform, and got it all rigged up, so we're going to do that right now. All right, here we go. Let's fire it up. Let's go over here, show the inside of the cab. I think it's got, let's see. Yeah, it's got dual fuel tanks, so it's got a ton of fuel capacity out here. Not that we need it. All right, you look on the inside, it's a little dusty in there, but it's all right. The nice thing, it looks like the windshield has no cracks at all in it up here. And, whatever, it's about what you'd expect. So the whole idea of this truck is like, you're not going to be able to pick up a bunch of cute girls in this truck. This truck is not for sex appeal. This truck is for getting work done around your yard or whatever. Now, you're supposed to send these trucks out to Mexico, Nevada, anywhere but California, because they don't want these trucks here anymore because of the air diesel laws. So you got to look into that. Most people that are going to be interested in this truck are going to be from out of state. So I think you might be able to drive it 1,000 miles a year within California, and that's totally legal. But beyond that, you can't do that. So here we go. We're going to start this thing up. Show you how to use the crane. Let's see if I can remember. We got to get the air up, get the crane going. engages the PTO. There we go. smooth. Cylinder right here, no leaks. All right. What's up, honey? Now I'm going to put the crane away. We're going to drive down the road and show you how it drives down the road. So I'll show you all the stuff working. Is the cable up? Probably throttle a little higher or go a little faster. I like to go slow when I'm using the crane. Downrigger. To the right. The other side. I'm going to cut the video, let's do a little road test.